Hello everyone, this is Ashmita and today we'll be discussing about Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. Article 21 is one of the most important articles of the Part 3 of the Constitution and it is available to both citizens and non-citizens. Article 21 is also the article that is not suspended even during any emergencies. Article 21 is a very vast topic and therefore I have divided into two parts. In the first part, that is in this video, I will be discussing about what is Article 21 in its bare simplest form. In the second video, I will be giving an in-depth description of this article. The bare reading of Article 21 states that no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to procedure established by law. To understand what is life legally, we should look into certain cases. The first of it is Francis Curley versus Union Territory of Delhi. In this case, the court stated that right to life also includes right to life with human dignity and it is not merely an animal existence. Also, human dignity includes every basic amenities that a person needs to live. This includes nutrition, clothing, shelter, etc. Another case is Olga Tellis versus Bombay Municipal Corporation. In this case, the court held that right to livelihood is born out of right to life, as no person can live without the means of living, that is livelihood. Another case is the case of Bandhwa Mukti Morcha versus Union of India. In this case, the court held that bonded labor is against Article 21 and a person has to be given living wages so that that person can live with dignity. The next part is personal liberty. To understand personal liberty, we'll look into certain cases again. The first one of it is Kharak Singh versus State of Uttar Pradesh. In this case, the facts are that a police regulation was challenged in the court stating that the surveillance under the regulation had no statutory background. However, the police under this regulation could go to person's house unwarranted, or the police can follow the person and see his movements if the police thought that that person is a habitual criminal or can be a habitual criminal. The court held that going to a person's house unwarranted and looking at the movements of the person is against personal liberty of Article 21 and therefore this police surveillance regulation was struck down. Another case is State of Maharashtra versus Prabhakar Panduranga. In this case, the court held that right to life with personal liberty includes right to write a book and publish it. And if a detainee exercises this right and the authorities doesn't allow it, then it is a violation of Article 21. The next part of Article 21 is procedure established by law. In the Constitution of India, nowhere it is mentioned that there will be a due process of law. The Constitution mentions procedure established by law. So what is procedure established by law? It is basically that to infringe someone's right to life, there has to be a statute or a law and that law should be valid and the procedure laid down by the law should be strictly followed. In the case of A.K. Gopalan versus State of Madras, the court stated that procedure established by law doesn't include due process of law. That is to say that the procedure doesn't have to be reasonable, fair or just that there has to be a procedure and it should be followed to curb Article 21. If this was the standing, then any legislation can be passed and according to that legislation, right to life can be curbed. However, this stand of the court was negated in the judgment of Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India. In this judgment, Justice Chandrachud held that procedure established by law should be just, fair and reasonable and it should not be arbitrary. Also, Justice Krishna Iyer mentioned that the term law included in Article 21 is a law that is reasonable and not any enacted piece of legislation. So, right now, after the Maneka Gandhi case, procedure established by law is equals to due process of law under Article 21 and any law that curbs a person's right to life or personal liberty should be just, fair and reasonable. So that is it for today guys. To get a more in-depth knowledge of Article 21, please watch the next part of this video. And I hope you liked this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.